The performance of the product is closely related to the technical characteristics of the antenna in ideal conditions of installation and use. SWR less or equal to 1, maximum applied power 250 watts continuously, impedance 50 ohms, stainless steel, etc. Communication distance is another decisive factor in the acquisition and use of a CB antenna. Thus, the communication distance of maximum 12 kilometers is reached in ideal working conditions. Calibrated antenna, open field without obstacles, station with maximum legally allowed power of 4 watt and with a standard reception. Any obstacle such as hills, mountains, buildings, walls can reduce this distance. Antenna length is a very important factor that can influence the communication distance. Thus, the longer the antenna, the longer the range. The PNI ML100 antenna has a length of 110 cm, magnetic base included. The 120 PL magnetic base in the package is provided with a 4 meters cable, enough to place the antenna on the dome, has a diameter of 125 mm and a strong magnet that gives the antenna stability even at high speeds. This kit is ready for assembly with the package: antenna, magnetic base with cable and PL259 plug enclosure for calibration. All you have to do is mount the antenna on a magnetic base, connect it to a CB radio station and calibrate it for maximum performance.